Morning, boys and girls, and welcome to the easier activity for Friday the 12th of February for maths. Now today it is your final maths lesson of the week, and today I am setting you a really tricky challenge. I'm setting you some two-step money word problems where we're going to need to really put our thinking caps on, and I'm going to show you some examples of what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to start by reading the question. At the shops, the sweet cost 7p and the biscuits cost 1p. Hannah gave 10p to the shopkeeper. How much change did she get? So I'm going to start by solving this sum by circling all of my numbers because they are really important. So 7p and 1p and 10p. So I know that Hannah started with 10p. And then she decided to buy the sweets. I've got to take away 7p. And then she decided to buy the biscuits as well. So I've got to take away 1p. So I'm going to start by solving this sum by drawing 10 1p's. So 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p, 10p. I have got 10 1p's. So now I'm going to have a look. I have to take away 7p because I bought the sweets. So I'm going to start by taking away 7p. Can you count with me? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. And I've taken away 7p, but I've got to take another 1p away because Hannah bought the biscuits and they cost 1p. So let's take one more p away. Now, how much am I left with? Shall we check how many pennies have I not spent? 1p, 2p. So how much change is the shopkeeper going to give me? Well done, he's going to give me 2p. Great work. Let's have a look at another one, shall we? At the shop, the doll cost 4p and the remote cost 5p. Hannah gave 10p to the shopkeeper. How much change did she get? So how am I going to start this sum? Well done. I'm going to start by circling my numbers because they are the really important parts. So I've got 4p, 5p and 10p. How much money did Hannah start with? Can you remember? Well done. She started with 10p. And 10p is the biggest number out of all three of them. That's why we always start with the biggest number when we take away. So I've got to take away, what did she buy first? Well done, she bought the doll and that cost, great work, it cost 4p. What else did she buy? Well done, she bought the remote and that cost 5p. And do my equal sign, so I've got 10p, take away 4p because she bought the doll. And then I've still got to take away 5p because she bought the remote. What could I do to help me solve this sum? Well done. I'm going to draw my 10 1p's. Count with me. 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p, 10p. Well done. Now then, I have got 10 1p's. How many pennies do I need to take away first? Let's have a look at our number sum. I started with 10p. I have to take away, well done, I have to take away 4p first. Can you help me? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p. That's the doll paid for. Have I got anything else to take away? Well done. I've got to take away 5p as well because I bought the remote. Are you ready? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p. How much change am I going to get? Should we count how many's left? 1p. So I only have 1p left, which means I'm going to get 1p change from the shopkeeper. Now I know you're probably going to find that super easy because you're all fantastic at maths. So let's have a look at a bit of a trickier one. At the shop, the apple cost 2p and the orange cost 9p. Hannah gave 20p to the shopkeeper. How much change did she get? So what have I got to do first? Well done. I've got to circle my numbers. I've got 2p, my 9p, and my 20p. Excellent work. Well done. Now, how much money did Hannah start with? We always start with how much money she had because that's always the biggest number. So how much did she start with? Well done. She started with 20p. And she bought the apple. So we've got to take away. How much was the apple? Well done. It was 2p. And then Hannah, who's very healthy, also bought the orange. So we've got to do another takeaway. How much was the orange? Well done. 9p. So, how could I solve this? Well done. I'm going to do the same as what I did for 10p, but this time I'm going to draw 21p's. So 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p, 10p. Oh, I can't stop at 10 this time. I need to stop at, well done, 20, 11p, 12p, 13p, 14p, 15p, 16p, 17p, 18p, 19p, and 20p. Great work. So, Hannah had 20p. And she started by taking away how much? How much did she take away first? Well done. She took away 2p. Should we cross 2p out then? Are you ready? 1p, 2p. What have I got to take away now? Well done. I've got to take away 9p because she also bought the orange. And that was 9p. Are you ready to help me? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p. So I've taken away 2p because Hannah bought the apple, and I've taken away another 9p because she bought the orange. What have I got to do now to work out how much change I had? Great work. I've got to count up all of the 1p's that I have left. Can you help me? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p. I have got 9p change. So I'm going to write my 9 and my pence sign next to it because 20p take away 2p take away 9p equals 9p change. Should we do one more? At the shop, we've got some sweets again. The sweets cost 7p and the biscuits cost 5p. Hannah gave 20p to the shopkeeper. How much change did she get? So what do I have to do first? Well done. Circle the numbers. So I've got 7p, 5p, and 20p. So how much money did Hannah start with? Well done. She started with 20p. And she first first bought the sweets. And how much were they? Well done, they were 7p. So we've got to take away 7p. Was that all she bought? No, she also bought biscuits. How much were they? Well done, they were 5p. And then I've got to put my equal sign. So what have I got to draw here to help me? Well done, I'm going to draw 21p's. Can you help me? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p, 9p, 10p, 11p, 12p, 13p, 14p, 15p, 16p, 17p, 18p, 19p, 20p. I've got 21p's. So let's have a look. I've done my 21p's. How many have I got to take away now? Well done. I've got to take away 7 of my 1p's first. Are you ready to help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7p. Have I only got to take away 7? No, I've also got to take away another 5p. Ready to count with me? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p. So now I have my 20p. I've taken away 7p because Hannah bought the sweets. And I've also taken away 5p because she also bought biscuits. What do I need to work out now? Well done. I need to work out how much change she got, how much money the shopkeeper's going to give her back from her 20p. How can I do that? Well done. I'm going to have to count them up. Are you ready? 1p, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p, 8p. How much change is the shopkeeper going to give me then? Well done. He's going to give me 8p. Brilliant work. Well done. Now, your task is going to be to have your very own word problems. You can try and solve them on the sheet if you want to, or you could cut them out and stick them on a separate piece of paper and then show your working out underneath on the separate piece of paper. You've got some tricky sums involving 10p, but you've also got some ones involving 20p as well. Well done, children. Great work as usual. Thanks for listening. And remember, ask your grown-up if they can send a photo of the fantastic work that you've done. Have a lovely half term and well done for working so hard over the last 6 weeks. You're absolutely brilliant, all of you. Bye.